Same Sam. Well, we're gonna do the quacha cut. So we're gonna do the goatee on him, right? Yeah. Alright, cool. No, wait.
I got it.
Bro, you agreed to it. It's too late. Bro, you agreed to it. It's on camera. We're gonna give him a goatee, alright?
Bro, you gotta do it. Go through it.
Dog, you gotta make it. Bro, it's like a
Challenge right here.
We haven't even started the haircut. Alright, I'm gonna pretend that I'm gonna hold the trimmer, right? On your beard. Just for the picture. Hey, no, Zach, what the? Dude, you gotta. What the? This is him. You look like a mannequin, fool. Check it out. Hey, this is gonna go viral, dog. We gotta wait on Princess over here.
Hey, grab me one too, yeah?
Hey, Princess, come on, Princess. What?
Grab me one too.
I want to give a shout out to my boy, Touch by LaFonce. Putting in work. We're right here at the Mission Viejo location. He works here full time. So we have 2 locations, San Clemente, and then we have Mission Viejo. He's here full time, so you can go on Booksy. You can book an appointment with him. Go on Booksy, search Mission's Edge, Mission Viejo.
Yeah, it should be under LaFonce, and then you can find me on IG at Cut by Fonz. So Mission Viejo and Mission's Edge.
We have Matt, we have Brandon also. You can look them up all under Booksy, under the Mission Viejo location. Now that Princess is done drinking his cup of water over here, and he still hasn't finished. Look at him over here just wasting time. This was out of control. We're out here trying to work. This guy's over here wasting time.
Hold on, alright, hold on. I gotta give this guy, I'm so sorry. Chug. Hey, we should give him a shot.
No, sir. No drugs in this shop.
You're right.
Nah, this was pretty cool.
Yeah,
This was pretty fun. What you guys think? Comment below.
Look, why are you trying to look do a funny look when you're wearing the Louis V? That's the Louis V, bro.
Hey, you're right.
That one photo fucked me up.
Oh, this one's tight.
Bro, I'm gonna log off photo, man.
This one's good. Because they got the logo too. Yeah, so we got the cover. Alright, let's start the haircut now. Blah it out.
Okay, look.
Alright, so.
haircut.
Oh, don't get down.
No, don't. You can delete that. You can delete it. You can edit it.
Alright, so how do you want the haircut, bro?
I want a little tape on the back and a little tape on the front, and just kind of keep it like. I don't want to slick it back. I don't want a haircut like to play with the hair.
Alright. Hello, YouTube world. If this video helps you, please subscribe to my channel. I will begin by spraying the hair with water so I can trim the hair with scissors. I will begin my guide from the front to the back, then I will check my work by trimming the hair horizontally to make sure the hair is even. Then I will blow dry his hair and style his bangs to give it more volume and flow. Start with the warm air, make sure not to burn the scalp, and switch to cold air to achieve the shape you desire.
So it's okay. How do I get rid of the pointiness? You see how like this? It looks like a mohawk.
How do I get rid of the beak right here?
The beak that always up. That beak.
Her name is Kakatoa. That's his head name. He's like Kakatoa. That the bangs are higher than the rest of the haircut, so it can give it a nice volume look. Gives it that classic slick back hairstyle. But once we add the product, we'll texturize this so it can look natural. We'll add the powder. I can also add some paint so that we can shape the bangs. Debulk the side by using the number 8 guard. Use disinfectant spray. Stay below the parietal and crown area of the head. Use a comb to remove excess hair and lay the hair back in place. Repeat the same steps with the number 7 guard. Stay on the same level as previous guard. Next is the number 5 guard. Repeat the same process as the previous guards and keep each guard beneath the last previous guard. Next, the number 4 guard. Repeat the same process. Next, the number 3 guard. Repeat the same process. Number 2 guard. Notice how low on the neck I'm placing this guard compared to the number 8 we started with. I will also utilize the number 2 guard to taper the sides of the neck for a crispy lineup. Next, the 1.5 guard, and continue hitting the sides of the neck to remove all flyaway hairs, and use that guard to go over the nape area of the neck. Next, I start the initial skin guideline with my trimmer. Remove all stubbles below the skin guideline. And hit the baldness for a closer shave. Second guideline, lever open. Go 1/2 inch of width above the initial skin guideline. Number 1 guard, lever open. Go another 1/2 inch width.
Oh yeah, you know Noni made this.
Time to gradually blend out the lines. Start with the clipper closed, erase the bottom line.
Damn Noni, I have to buy this.
Open lever, 1/4 inch. Next, open lever, 3/4 open. Follow same steps as shown on the video and open lever completely open. Slap the 1/2 guard to erase the second guideline. This time, start with the lever open and work your way down towards the bottom of the guideline as shown on this clip. Next, the 1.5 guard, lever open, then close, then open, and close until you blend any lines on the taper and accomplish a gradual blend. I will use my Babyliss skeleton trimmers with a T-blade. To do the lineup on the neck, make sure not to press too rough so you don't irritate the client's skin. Next, use the balder to go over the same area and remove all flyaway hairs. Use the clipper over comb technique to blend in the sides of the head with the top. Make sure to use a flat top comb.
Damn Noni, I have to buy this.
Now, for the side taper, repeat the same process I did with the neck taper and follow the same steps as I show on this clip.
Oh yeah, you know Noni made this. Damn Noni, I have to buy this.
Use the corner of the blade to line up the arch of the sideburns. For the beard, with the clipper lever open, go down 1/2 inch of width. Then put the number 1 guard, lever open, go down another 1/2 inch. Put the 1/2 guard and blend in between the 1 and the 1.5 guard. Outline the beard with the trimmer. Make sure you leave it as full as natural as possible. Make sure both sides are even. Trim the mustache by removing hairs off the client's lip and go over the top part of the mustache at client's request. Use a straight razor and make sure to pull the skin tight so you don't cut the client's skin.
Damn, Noni, I have to buy this. Oh yeah, you know Noni made this. Damn, Noni, I have to buy this.
Repeat the same steps below the chin.
Oh yeah.
You got him good.
I styled his hair with styling powder to give his hair a natural textured look. If you guys have any questions, comment below. I have 2 barbershops, one in San Clemente and the other one in Mission Viejo, both located in Orange County, California. Best fades in Orange County. Thanks for watching. Remember, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.
Shit, way. Fuck, dude.
What, bro? Did that feel good?